Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you an amazing website called Ninite. It lets you install multiple programs at once, automatically, with no ads and no viruses. Open your web browser and go to ninite.com. On the home page, you'll see a list of popular apps, browsers, media players, utilities, and more. Just check the apps you want, like Google Chrome, VLC, WinRAR, or LibreOffice. Then click on Get Your Ninite to download your custom installer. Open the file you just downloaded. Ninite will do everything for you. It automatically downloads, installs, and updates your selected apps. No clicking next or agree, ever. And that's it. Now you know how to install multiple apps in one click with Ninite. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips.